The boat in front of me is a Mariner 38 Flybridge. We're here today with Broken Bay Boat Sales, who are brokering the sale of this boat, and there's a lot to show you and a lot to like about this. Would you believe it's a 1984 build? It really does still look in fantastic condition. It's been very well maintained and lovingly kept by the current owners, but they are putting it up for sale, and we're going to take you on board, show you everything there is to show you: the Flybridge, the two cabin layout, the engine room, the cockpit, everything there is. And this would be, you know, the perfect boat, I think, for someone looking to maybe get into a bigger boat from a day boat or a cabin cruiser, or maybe it's your first boat and you want to jump into a family cruiser. You'll have a lot of fun with this, and we're going to jump on board and show you everything there is to see. So we're going to step on board and just start on this swim deck with this nice rail here. Like we said at the start, this is a really, you know, flexible, great family boat, and so this swim deck will be very handy for all of those sorts of purposes. And as we come in through the transom door here, you can see that the 38 Mariners were built with this really open, flexible aft cockpit. So there's definitely space here for you to bring in some director's chairs, a folding table, and have an outdoor dining space. You can definitely do that here, or you could leave it as it is. This would be good for water sports, for some fishing, you know, if you want to keep all your snorkeling gear, even diving gear if you wanted to do that. There's the options for you to do so. These hatches give you access down into some of the boat's systems, and if I come around here, I'll be able to show you that there's a fridge freezer. Now at the moment, I think if I open that up, you'll see there's quite a bit of space in there full of some drinks, and there's a freezer on the other side. That set of stairs takes you up to the Flybridge, and we'll look up there in a moment. And then there's also access forward via these little steps on the starboard side, which we'll go exploring a little bit later. But it's a really nice flexible space. There's a little bit of rain about, so we've got the covers on, but you can see here with the covers off, it's a really good space, perfect for family boating. We've got the bimini above us, so you can have as much or as little cover from the sun as you like, just what you need from flexible family boating. We're going to come inside into the salon and show you what's on offer here. And again, for an entry-level family cruiser, you can definitely take this away for, you know, a night, 2-3 nights. You can definitely do that. And we've got this fantastic C-shaped dinette in front of us. There's, you know, 4 to 6 berths on board, and you could easily have 4 to 6 people around there having dinner. That would be fantastic. And then just opposite me here, you can see we've got television, we've got 2 occasional chairs there, we've got access around this little kitchen island through to the galley, which steps down. So it's not quite a galley down set up, and it's not quite galley up, it's just kind of somewhere in between. But what we've got is a nice sized galley. So as I said, you could easily go away for a couple of days here. You've got a decent sized little fridge like this, and remember there's also a 240 volt fridge freezer out on the aft cockpit as well. We've got microwaving facilities there. We've got above here, this will be a 2-burner electric cooktop, and then obviously sink storage. I'm just going to move along here so you can see that under here is storage underneath that little bar. So that's a really nice little salon. As I said, great for family cruising. So the first of the 2 cabins is the one all the way forward into the bow, and it's a really flexible, fantastic cabin, particularly, you know, for being a family cruiser, because what it has is it has these 2 bunks in this kind of scissored configuration, and then underneath that, this is where you can have this either one of two ways. At the moment, we've got an infill here, which makes this into quite a large double for a couple, or that infill can come out and then you've got what becomes 4 singles in this one cabin. So whether you've got a few children or a lot of children, or you've got maybe older teens, younger children, there's a lot of flexibility with this forward cabin, which is nice. We've got the hatch open, lots and lots of ventilation coming through, lots of natural light, very, very comfortable. Just here, there's a locker. I'm not going to open that up, I'll just leave that closed for now, but there's a storage locker in there, which is terrific. And then underneath here as well, there's more storage. So there's one just there, and there's a second just there, and you can see how that infill works just there. It sits on those 2 rails. Okay, I'm just going to jump up and swing around and show you what is the larger cabin. I suppose you could call it the owner's cabin, but they're both good cabins. And this is configured as a double. So this is where you might have a couple, might be mum and dad, for example, and they'd be taking this cabin. And you've got lots of storage in here. So you've got a little storage cabinet just in front of you here, like this. An area here where you could maybe pop your shoes or an overnight bag or 2. Similarly, you could do that up on here, and there's even more storage along the top there. And if I swing around, there's a little bit more storage just above me in this area just here. And this is all very nicely finished off. I like the dark timbers. I think it's quite a nice look. Very nice. This of course all closes over. This is a sliding door, so of course these doors could be closed across for privacy. And it's all serviced by the one head-on board, which has a nice sized full shower like that. You've got a sink, the boats, toilet, some storage underneath there. There's storage behind these mirrors like that, and quite a nice big area here that runs all the way back into there, and that's a good spot to put overnight bags. Yeah, you could even throw some covers. Probably a good place to put those infill cushions that we looked at earlier. That's what I'd be using that for. But all in all, very, very nice. So here we are on the Flybridge, and it's a fantastic area actually. We'll get to the controls and what you can see in front of me here. But before I do that, let me just swing around to the front to show you this little area here. Often you'd have some seating at the back of the Flybridge, but on this 38 Mariner you can see that there's this long bench seat, and that's easily 3, you might even get 4 people sitting there with a fantastic view forward of what you're doing when you're underway. It's a terrific view. You can see the boat's compass just there. We've got the clears on at the moment because, as I said, there's a little bit of rain about, which are new clears, by the way. So this boat comes with a set of brand new, pretty much brand new clears all around for the Flybridge, which is very, very handy, of course. But that's a fantastic area. Little socialising space. You can see some of the speakers there. But let's have a look at the helm. That's the one helm position on the 38 Mariner. You can see here that we've got the engine controls for the 2 Caterpillar engines. We'll take a look at those in a moment when we go downstairs into the engine rooms. You can see there that we've got the throttles. You can see we've got all the navigation equipment there. There's a multifunctional chart plotter just ahead there, as well as this classic big wheel. And it's a really nice position. I'm going to just stand at the helm, and you can see you've got a fantastic position looking straight out over the bow of the boat. Or if you sit down, it's equally as impressive. And there's a second helm seat just to my right, which is there. Very nice helm seats. I think I'm right in saying that these have been upgraded. I don't think these are the original helm seats that came with the boat. And there's an additional little spot there where someone can take a position and chat to whoever might be sitting in this helm seat here. And again, just a nice space to socialise and enjoy proceedings. So there you go. I'm going to just step forward a little bit, because what I'd like to point out is just in the bow and the forward decks there, you can see that we've got the boat's tender. Now that's a 3 or 3.1 metre Zodiac with a 15 horsepower Yamaha outboard engine on that, and you can see there that we're going to use that davit system to move that on and off the boat. But that's nice to have that tender all the way forward, out of the way, and that of course opens up the swim deck and the aft cockpit to do whatever you want. So that's the Mariner 38 Flybridge. What a fantastic boat this is. I'm really glad David from Broken Bay Boat Sales gave us the chance to come along and show you this, because, you know, I think for a boat that's, you know, 40 years old now, it's held up particularly well. And this again would make a great addition to a family who want to take their boating experience a little bit further. What a ripper boat this is. So I think we'll leave it there. Thanks for watching. Again, if you like this video, give us a like, share this content with other people, and if you haven't already, subscribe to We Love Boating, because we make fun videos like this every single week. But I think we'll leave it there, and I'll see you next week on another video. Bye for now.